Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I hope that I'm finding you all well. I'm noticing that loads of the videos, not only mine, a lot of the YouTube artists are getting so many less views lately because of all the troubles going on. And it's sort of obviously taking everybody's attention away from some art therapy or bit of joy in the world. We're all listening to the doom and gloom, but I hope you do give it a break and come back to listening and watching things that you do enjoy, whether it's my art or whatever channels you normally watch. Is give yourself a break from all this negativity happening at the moment. So this is my perfect art therapy, and if yours is just watching, then so be it. Wonderful. If it's getting in and doing it and using some of my ideas, then I'm really happy about that too. So this is sort of going back again to the basics, wiggles pour, but I really do have a lot that I want to do to this to test different things. So I'm going to do quite a few different techniques in one little piece. So I'm looking forward to this. As I said, it's so much better than scrolling on the internet at all the negative things that's happening. So it's definitely therapy for me. So all I did was layer my colours there. As you see, I am using the Montmartre paint with my own homemade pouring medium. If you're new to my channel or you don't know, there's a drop down box under each and every video in the description, and it has links to how to, if you're a beginner, how to start, how to mix paints, or different techniques or different DIY ideas. There's different playlists. And also link to products. So there you go. So there was my lovely mix of colours. I am using the Amsterdam White, and it is mixed. Amsterdam is the brand, and it's mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I'm going to do a swipe through this to create my lovely lacy cells. So it's the easiest way I find without silicone of creating really beautiful lacy cells. So let's see how we go here. Wow, they're coming along nicely. They're actually, the sort of longer you leave it as well, and then when you add a bit of heat, like the heat wand, it brings all those lovely cells up. I'm not worried about those little areas that I've missed there, and I shouldn't have probably done that because, like I said, I'm going to do other techniques in here, but I'm still going to leave those lovely cells. Look at that, look at that. They're just fabulous. Look at that. The camera, when it's up on a tripod while you're filming, well, my camera certainly doesn't capture the magic that's really when you look at it, when you're looking at it with a real eye, or, you know, it just doesn't capture all those lovely cells being created. But look at that. The colours are stunning, stunning, and it's really, really glistening. So I'll go on with my next step, and yes, I'm going to use some dry chains, meaning they're like, I'm going to use some beads, some of those ball chains, and I'm just going to use them dry to drag through the paint to get rid of those harder white lines, and just add some embellishments to it. So it kind of always, to me, it definitely makes it look 3D, so allowing those lovely cells or laciness to stay in there in the background, and just add in the embellishments. It's always fun to do, and especially even like these dry chains, you haven't got to wet your chains with any paints previous, you just drag them through the paint because you know all those lovely colours are underneath there. So watch this piece evolve into something really tropical and fantasy and whimsical. So that is dry chain pulls. You just know, putting all that colour under there, that when you drag the chain through, they're gonna appear, you know, show. I have done a few wiggly lines, as you see. So if it's your art, remember, your art, your rules, your way. Whatever your heart desires, you can do. So that was the swipe, was with Amsterdam White and Australian Floetrol. And yes, the cells are absolutely gorgeous. I know that G-Pause, the guy, he does absolutely wonderful cells without using Australian Floetrol. I mean, I use it here in Australia because that's what's available to us. So, but super happy with that one. It's so bright and vibrant. So let the drying gods be with me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. And I want you to, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, because there's so much unrest going on in the world, I want you to ring a family member or a friend, sit and have a chat, a laugh, paint together. Or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Until next time, bye for now. The lovely lacing or cells, lacy cells created in this piece was simply doing my swipe over my colours with Amsterdam White with Australian Floetrol. The video will be up on my YouTube channel, but I did give this a resin coat and it sort of disappointed because it didn't grab, the resin didn't grab right on the very edge, but I can certainly give a second coat this lovely piece. And but yeah, pretty happy with this one, just a bit sad with my resin. Beautiful, stunning day in Queensland for our winter.